Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can share your TikTok video on Facebook story. So let's say I like this TikTok video and I want to share it on my Facebook story. What I need to do is click on the share icon at the bottom right and click on where it says Facebook. And from Facebook over here at the top, it's going to show you a public icon. Click on public and choose only me. Once you do that, click on done and click on post. Now once you do that, this TikTok video is going to be posted on your Facebook timeline. But since we chose only me, which means only I should be able to see the TikTok post. So what I can do is click on my menu icon at the bottom right of my screen and click on my username at the top left, which is Kevin Witchy, but you need to click on your username. Once you click on your username, scroll a bit down and the post which you just shared is going to be over here. Now remember, if you have just chosen it only me, then only you are going to be able to see the post. So don't worry about it. Now what we are going to do is click on share. Now once you click on share, at the bottom you can see the option called your story. Click on it and it's going to appear on your story. Now you can click on share and just like this, you have shared the TikTok video on your story. So that's how we guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.